Wireless speakers are one of the most widely used categories of peripherals among electronic products. Their ubiquitous use has meant that high-quality wireless speakers are available in a really wide variety, with most devices offering all basic features that you would expect from them. In such a crowded market, the only way a manufacturer can attract buyers is by standing out in terms of design or in terms of its affordability, without compromising on the sound quality or any other key features, of course.
Here we go.
The product we have for you today is one such speaker that will dazzle you with its phenomenal good looks. But once you get to know it, you will also find that underneath this beauty is a really strong performer, which doesn't cause a dent on your pocket either. This mini wireless stereo Bluetooth USB speaker comes from Dabtronics, a young Australian firm that has built quite a reputation for its quality computer and smartphone peripherals, especially speakers. The cute Dabtronics speaker comes equipped with LED dancing lights, which means that this gadget gives as much pleasure to your eyes as your ears. Available in a range of colours to suit your tastes, you can select one to give a soothing aura to your room, or set up a collection of different shades for a creative combination that brightens up your surroundings. Its superior design is not limited to its looks, but gives it great functionality too. Its suction cup feature is especially designed to help it get a better grip on any flat surface, whether it's your desk, wall, window, or your car dashboard. And at just 4.8 ounces and 3.9 by 2.9 inches, it couldn't be more conveniently sized for carrying around. It works on one lithium-ion battery of 300 mAh capacity, which keeps it going for 6 hours at a stretch, so you can really move around with it without having to bother about charging all the time. Small-sized speakers tend to often lose out on bass quality, but the guys at Dabtronics have included the BXS, or Bass Expansion System here, which makes it as good as a large speaker, and even its highs remain super crisp and clear. What's more, the very thoughtful Buddy Jack system lets you connect a series of these speakers to create a richer surround sound. You can really party with these speakers, no matter how large your room, or even if you were hanging with friends at the pool. Another feature that'll really get your party going is its universal device compatibility. Its strong Bluetooth can sync with any of your smartphones, PCs, laptops, tablets, iPhones, or iPads. Added connectivity comes from its microSD slot, aux input, and USB port. And if you are receiving a call on your phone while playing music, you don't need to disconnect. Its inbuilt microphone lets you take a call directly through the Dabtronics wireless speaker. Looks like a really well-designed speaker that matches up to the best in the business and then some. That's all we have on the Dabtronics portable mini wireless stereo Bluetooth USB speaker for now.